Click Tech to choose sheet material type, thickness, and nozzle diameter. Click Immutable Parameter Recommendation in the AI Actions. When AI Operation Completion interface pops up, please confirm whether these parameters are correct. If yes, click Confirm and Save.
As a result, cutting begins based on an AI-recommended process. Here comes AI teaching. Please put a cut sample in the cube.
Click Tech again and Image-Based Optimization. Then, the cube starts taking photos. Confirm these parameters and click Confirm.
Cutting after teaching.